Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 29th, 2021, Aave. Yes, we're going to talk about Aave today. We want to figure out if this cryptocurrency is still bullish. Take a look at my chart. I mean, you guys can see probably from December the 20th, the market has been on a tear, rip up higher in price. We want to know if that's going to continue. So we're going to look at the chart today in Aave to make that determination, because if so, we're going to do a price prediction to try to get in position and win alongside the price move. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. This is what I do. I show proof. I am fully transparent. I'm giving you all what my expectations are regarding where the price is going to go, so that none of our community will be confused as to why did the price go down or why did the price go up. We are actually predicting the move before it happens. So if you guys want to learn more, keep it locked in here, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I mean, for instance, look at this. I did a video on November the 18th, right here. I was telling you all on this particular day that Aave was going to go down in price. You guys can see it. It did. Now, did it exceed our ultimate TP price? Yes, it has. We had our ultimate TP price around $200. You guys can see that's 26.5% profitability right there. And not only that, the market in Aave went all the way down to 160. That's 40% profitability right there, all from a price prediction back on November 18th. See, before the market even went down, I was telling you all then to be prepared for it to happen. So another good move happened into the market from our price prediction. Hopefully you all was able to take precautions and were ready for this move down, because we couldn't act like we didn't know what's going to happen. I told you all on November 18th that it was going to happen, and it did. So let me go ahead and get rid of this now, because like I said, around December the 20th, we saw some bullishness enter the market in Aave, and the market in Aave actually went from 160 all the way up here to a high of about $300, which is 82% price move. Yes, in a couple of days. That is fantastic when you have this much volatility, this much price movement over a couple of days. This is how fast you guys can increase your account basically in the cryptocurrency market. So let's try to see if this is going to continue though. Now, look at this. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line right here, and I'm going to bring to where the buyers appeared, right? The buyers showed up around $160. So we need to make sure that we identify the area to where the buyers are at. Take a look. So the market in Aave has shown us that it is willing to come in and prop up the price at 160. So going forward, if anything, we can safely presume that the market's going to consolidate as long as the price stays above 160, right? Cool. Now, question. Do you think the market in Aave is in a downtrend? What do you think? Do you think the market in Aave is in a downtrend? What do you all think? I don't think it is, because the market here is not hitting rejection points here in the market in Aave. Maybe we might be on a downtrend following these highs. See, right here. Do you see this? Now that seems logical, does it not? I mean, let's look at this. The market in Aave could not break above this descending line on September the 1st, right? Then around mid-September, we couldn't do it. We tried right here on this particular day on the 27th of October, but we still failed. We tried again on November the 9th, November the 10th, we still failed. And now, look at this. December the 27th and the 28th of December, the price in Aave tried to break above this descending line and it couldn't do it. So it is giving us confirmation that the sellers are approaching this descending line. So we really won't become bullish into the market in Aave until we see this price break this downtrend line, okay? So I think you guys can see where the contention areas are at. The sellers are here alongside this descending line, and the buyers are down there around 160. So this is going to be our focal point regarding where we're going to look for the price to do. Okay, got it? Yes, we're going to focus in on this area right there. Now, let's see what is the chances of us having Aave's price break this descending line, okay? Because currently, yeah, on the 3-day time frame, this market currently is giving us some weakness. We are seeing some high volume come in, as well as seeing the price close on the low right now. So right now, the sellers are winning in the market from a 3-day perspective, okay? There's 3 days. Let's see this on a 2-day. You see this on the 2-day time frame. And you guys can tell, like, yeah, this last completed 2-day price bar is emphasizing that sellers won. Okay, so as I do this price prediction, we need to identify where the buyers need to step in to allow us to try to come back and try to hit this descent line to break out of it, right? So I can actually see 225, okay, as that area of support. Then the next area is going to be around 200. So we need to be focusing on those areas for the buyers. The buyers need to show up at 225 and $200 in order for us to really see that strength, for us to break this downtrend line. Look at it on a 5-day. The 5-day time frame is definitely letting us know that, yeah, there's some strength over the last 5 days. So this is why I really want to emphasize to you that 225, $200 is going to be very important for the buyers to maintain and uphold, because this last 5-day price bar is exhibiting strength. Okay. Look at this on the weekly. I like the weekly time frame as well. So as we span out in time, right, from a 5-day to the weekly time frame, this is where we're getting the strength. So if you're looking to be into the market in Aave from a long-term perspective, i.e. weekly time frame, this is where we're seeing the strength. We're not seeing the strength on the daily time frame, 2-day, 3-day basis, but we're seeing it here on the weekly. This is the 2 weeks. Okay, and it really doesn't show that much weakness on the 2 weeks time frame. 3 weeks time frame, I like it. The 3 weeks time frame definitely lets me think that the price is going to continue to go up and even break this downtrend line into the market in Aave. Let's see how we look on the monthly. Then I'll go ahead and do a price prediction. So this is the price for Aave during the month of December. I mean, it's been a wash. It's been one of those moments to where sellers came in, but the buyers came in and was able to push the price back up to where we are at today. So it might just end up being a wash in January. It's going to be really important for us to see the price in Aave close above the monthly December price close. Okay. Let me go ahead and move this to our hourly real quick, because I'm still going to play the strength into the market in Aave. I'm seeing that the market wants to continue to give us some upward movement. Now, this bullish run that we did back in December 20th, yeah, we're taking a break. And I'm really focusing on 225, 220 to $200. If we break that to the downside, then yeah, my price prediction is not going to be right. It's not. And I already understand that. So if I ever see the price in Aave break below 200, I might well just cut the prediction and move on to another opportunity, because the market is telling me that it's definitely more weaker than it is giving us the strength. Okay. So I'm not going to be massively bullish neither, though. I wanted to put that all into perspective. I'm not massively bullish into the market in Aave, but I am expecting the price to go up, and I'm going to focus in on 280. Okay. So you guys can see that the price currently is at 250. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. $200 is the ultimate basis of support for us in the market in Aave. We see the market break that to the downside. We understand that the weakness is still dominating this cryptocurrency, and we need to expect the price to continue to go down. Now, let me go ahead and show you all what I'm looking forward to. 280 is going to be the first spot for us to nibble and take some profitability. That gives us around 12, almost 13%. Like, let's not be greedy in this particular environment, because we do know that this downtrend line is impending the increase in Aave's price. So get that 12% out to market before we drop again. Now, let's say, for instance, we are going to break this downtrend line. What would be the next area? Well, my next area is going to be there around 305. $305 is going to be the second area for us to nibble and take the bag. Third area is 320. 28% right there. All right. Now, it is your turn. I want you all to try to do this for yourself. You know, just look at the price bars and the volume, because it actually gives us the information of what people really think. So hit me up. Let me know what your price prediction is in Aave. You guys can see what my thoughts are. I am playing the strength into the market for this currency right now, but not massively bullish. I have given you all 3 price targets, and now I want to know what yours is. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.